Are you finding a video about how to set a template paper sheet in AutoCAD? Here in today's video, I will show you exactly how to do it. Let's start. First of all, go to the from template, then select the sheet paper. This is the template sheet paper. You can select. After selecting, you can edit it as well. Now this is the paper size. Now you can see the template file. This is the sheet paper. Now we are going to the set the model space. This is, remember these three commands: ms, zoom and ps. This is the three command you must need. This is how we set the paper and the floor plan in our sheet paper. Okay, also you can edit in block. If you have any design of the template like the sheet paper, then you can edit here. Okay, here is the names. Now we will adjust it. After this, we are going to print it out. So we will plot these areas. We'll set the paper size. So this is how we final exporting. But one thing, there is one missing thing, the text. So we will fix this now. We will type this command, all no visible. Here you can see. Now set the, there is a 0 value, you have to set 1. After it you will get. Thank you for watching.